Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. It has been long. Yes, my name is Patricia Esikote. Karibu sana. So, oh yo. Anyway, okay. Let me take a check out. It has been so long, so long, and I abandoned my YouTube channel, and it was so bad, so very bad. Anyway, so today's video is going to be about some people have told me to do. So as you can see on the title, is about Dubois makeup. I wanted to start with the cheapest one. Okay, not the cheap. Yes, they are the cheap for now in Kenya. So I wanted to start with that, and then we can go. That's higher. Anyway, you've got that. Like anyway. So this is Patricia. Welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe. So I will not even jump. I'm going to show you how I do my makeup with Dubois product. Not that okay. Anyway, for now my face is really bad. I have I don't know if you can do it. So the first thing I do is wash my face. I wash my face with black soap. Black soap. That's how I do it. Anyway, my face is very smooth. This camera is lying to you. Anyway, so I wash my face and then leave it for some time. First thing first, I don't know what this is called. It's called karite. Karite. I don't know if you can see it. It's called karite. This acts like my partner, and it does a really good job. Really good. Actually, the lady that I buy my makeup from Dubois is such a good lady. Don't use makeup Nigeria. For me, I will say I like how to do my makeup from my own self. No one taught me. After some time that I started watching people, and that's where I got my. But at the same time, I think God just made me a beautician stroke a lot of things, and you wait and see. I go to my eyebrows. Let me just move a little bit closer to focus. Yeah. So my people, this is too much. I am used to my own mirror. And then after that, you just come in like this, please. Nioneni. Okay, wacha tunitumie. Chora line kama unaenda juu. Moja hapo mbele. Just moja. You get me? You get me? Zinaka very harsh for now. Then continue. You get me? Continue. Anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is for everything. Whenever I feel like shooting anything, I will shoot. And I will bring it out. Okay, well, is it quite very harsh? Like now, really harsh. Yeah. Just channel kumbele. So even like this, I can still go out. And by the way, you are not perfect. One thing you need to know, after God will never put their each and everything. So can you find me if you're able to support me? Why lie? But you can make it as clean as possible. For now, mine, this one, hold on. And then this one on the other side is second thing, your concealer. for me, I use the Dubois version of Pro Girl Concealer. This is not original.
I drew this for you, but you'll never ever see it. I made a promise it would never ever show. I wrote this song, but you'll never ever hear it. It could be better, but you're probably okay.
You know, the good thing with makeup, you can use anything to replace another. Like for here, you can also use your what is it called? Your foundation. This is not a detail. God, what am I doing? Just shape it the way you want it to come out like nice for real. Just shape it. Shape it. Yes, I think.
I've had this feeling I could never ever tell you. I might be wrong, but you'd rather be my friend.
My people, once you do this, ila inaisa ili meet hapa and then it will be hey, unakaa careful, not even but unakaa careful. You cannot have eyebrows in shape. Lakini anyway, it's your shape. You can
I'm here again, falling in love again. I just sang and I could forever. I to big and
I drink this. This is essential to mine. $35p. So today I'm going to do a very... So I'm not into eyeshadow that much, but I do what I can. So this is what I'm doing. So just to make a good transition. Okay. Give me this color. And that one, you make the crease. I see this is the in thing right now. Like people like this thing. So with me, I'm not as perfect. Do something to your outer side of here, that side. Do something there. White, follow the crease kindly that you've made with the concealer kindly. Yes. Okay. So. Until up to there. Once I'm there, I make another very normal one. laugh about this eyeliner is because just look at it. I got my face. Wow. Look at it. Yeah. Apply your lashes. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Apply your lashes.
So what do you say?
Oh my God, I have the worst face right now. Okay, once it's done.
You say, so what do you say?
So after the lashes, to the foundation. This one is called Jahawi BB, so foundation waterproof. This one has worked for me. It's just so I use my so instead of just dab, dab. So I take that's my brush. What is supposed to be my foundation brush? I just turned it. Wow. Yeah, but for me these things don't even work, like for real. My friends, keep it in. The way I do my makeup. Onto the blah blah blah. What is it called? Highlighter, glow kit. So this is from Dubois, still from Dubois. Button. So this is all I. And I told you with the brushes, if something works for you, you can go and work for it. So I'm going to go in with my Davis still, the brown. And line my lips. I've been struggling with lips. So just to finish the look, I'm going to those, not rose. So this is the final look. It has been fun making this video. Anyway, thank you guys for reconnecting with me. Thank you for watching my video. I will be doing more of this, more of very different looks here and there, and I just hope like we can reconnect, do a whole lot of things. So this channel will be about cooking, makeup, especially makeup. I'll be doing a lot of things because I know I have a lot of things in my mind. If you don't like this channel, you can also subscribe. But anyway, thank you. See you next time. I hope I'll be coming up with a whole lot. Anyway, thank you so much. God bless you. Remember to pray and pray for me.
Don't go, sugar daddy, thunder. I want